What's good, YouTube? Today, y'all gonna be coming along with me while I go to Paul's Beauty. I'm gonna go pick up a few essential items that I need. I either ran out of or I'm getting low. So I'm gonna take y'all into the inside of a professional beauty supply, which is Paul Beauty's over there in District Heights, Maryland. Yeah, also I actually gotta make a few other stops, so if it's pertaining to the shop or anything like that, I'm gonna include that into the vlog as well. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Y'all coming along with me to go pick some supplies up that I desperately need. So let's get right to it. All right, we here. We made it safe and sound. Now we about to go inside. I'm about to let y'all see what it's like inside, man. So y'all see, they got clippers in here. But first, let me get me a car. But yeah, man. Yeah, but they got all types of clippers, bro. Cocos. They got Coco brand clippers, Fabulous, Stylecraft. They got a TPOB section over here. They got the golds and red, black, shaver. I might need to get a shaver today, so might try that gold shave off because my shaver broke. But yeah. First thing I do when I come in here, this station right here, I see if they got anything here that I might need. Yeah, so that's a couple spots. No, I was just looking. I might need to get a shaver, but I'll decide once I finish. Thank you. They pretty helpful. All right, so you got your holding sprays right here. So, of course, I feel like I like Tresemme the most, but this one right here, bro, I'm not gonna lie. I've been falling back from using a lot of holding spray. So this holding spray right here, it gives it a natural look. You just use just a little bit, just like, and then give it a natural look. But I said, from now on, I'm only using holding spray when I'm using hair fibers. So if I'm not using fibers on your cut, I'm not gonna use the holding spray as much, because I just feel like it gives it a cleaner cut without the holding spray. Sometimes it just leaves too much residue. But yeah, man, got all your aftershavers here. Barbicide, things of that nature. Brushes, oh yeah, you know you can never have too many of these. No brushes. I be using these because these are the cheapest ones, but for real, might want to go with these. Excuse me. And there's 2 for $6. I bought some the last time I came in, so I've been trying to. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I be spending so much money when it comes to, bro. Every time I come in here, I spend way over the amount that I'm supposed to spend. Good God, hold on, let's smash my shoe. Alright, so I definitely need some mousse. I like this mousse. It got a nice hold. It doesn't leave too much residue. But my wife sent me she got like a pixie cut. She wanted to try another type of moose out, so if they had that one, I'm gonna get one of those. It's called. Oh, I used to use this. It's called Influence moose. Moose by Influence. I don't think they have it here because I used to look for that, but I don't think so. We got some other holding sprays. Some people use this. Bro, I hate this. This is literally like glue. I don't use that. I tried both of these. These two are similar to this one. Only other one I would use is this. But bro, the holding spray, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I'm starting to outgrow the holding spray phase, but as long as the hair is washed and clean, bro, you don't need much holding spray. But I do use holding spray for like the later waves down. Like when I lay the waves down, I like to spray it with holding spray. So that holding spray does come in handy for other things. Even though I don't really need this one, I'ma still grab it. I don't know why, I'ma still grab it though. I also need some razors. I'm low on razors and gloves. Oh yeah, I forgot I need gloves, bro. I'm not gonna lie, gloves are some of the most expensive. Gloves are one of my highest expense as far as buying, equipment or items that I need, bro. When I tell you that gloves, I get so annoyed with buying gloves, bro. I need some more head strips, but I don't use them often. I'm gonna just get a small one. This for like when you trying to lay their hair down, lay the hairline down. If they got a front taper, you could put some mousse on it, or you could, hot towel it. But after that, put mousse on it and wrap it with this. It works pretty good. Now, I tell y'all for my enhancements, I only use, really is Flow. Flow is like the only one I use. But if I don't have any Flow, I'm starting to run low. I will run this one, guys. This is a good can't see the screen, my bad. This is a good enhancement to use right here. I don't know if you can see it. This is a good one. So I'm gonna just grab one of these just to have a backup one. Yeah, I gotta find some gloves. Gloves cost me too much money, bro. And then I just had to buy a hot water tank for the for the salon, because the shampoo bowls are starting to, it's running out of hot water too quick, and I got a new girl about to start soon. So I don't want the other girl that's there using the shampoo bowl too. I said girl, lady, woman, I don't know. I don't want them to be fighting over the hot water, so I just went and bought a new hot water tank that cost me $400. I know I'm about to spend $100 in here minimum. So that's just all in one day. So, bro, it's a lot that go into this barbering and owning salon, hair salon suites. Bro, it's a lot, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And sometimes you just gotta try to cut corners, bro, because it's getting too expensive, bro. Not gonna lie to you. And the gloves I like, they cost more than every other glove in here. So you know what I'm gonna do today? I usually get the box. The box is like $180, but I'm not gonna do that today because I saw some cheaper gloves on TikTok. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to get me 2 boxes just to last me. I'm gonna get me 2 boxes just to last me. Because I'm gonna get 1 box to last me, and I'm gonna order a box from TikTok because, bro, these gloves are $10 a box, and you get like 8 boxes. So whatever that equals. Oh no, you get 16 boxes. I'm tripping. So yeah.
You sure? Yeah. This the only colors I have? Yes, just that black one.
Okay, so this is the bigger version. It's the bigger version. So either or, this $17.99. This is 4 ounces. This is 2 ounces. So I mean, it's really not a deal, honestly. I'd rather just get the big one for 30 and save more. That's really not. Yeah, so 2 of these would be like, I ain't the best with mathematics, but this would be about $37 or something for 2, 36 or something, I don't know. And then you got this one for 29. So yeah, it don't make sense to get the small one. Definitely gotta watch out if they'll bag you. They'll get you if you let them. They'll definitely bag you. But I said today I'm not buying too much. I don't even want to walk too much because I'm gonna start just finding stuff to buy. So in this way, I got pretty much everything I need: holder, spray, wraps, gloves, and I need to get some razors. After that, I'm done. After that, that's it. So yeah, I got to see what it's like. I'm gonna let y'all see some. I'm gonna go back over to the Clippers before I go there, cause I want y'all to see. Cause this the most important part. Most of the regular beauty supply stores, you're not gonna be able to. They're not gonna have these type of clippers. They're not gonna have like a selection of clippers like this. So I feel like from the TPOB, you're not gonna find TPOB in a lot of stores. Stylecraft. I do need a shaver. I need a shaver badly, but I'm really trying to be cheap. I'm not trying to spend a lot of money, guys, because I kind of went over my budget for the day. But I haven't had a shaver. It's been a few minutes. No, it's been a few minutes, so. I was looking at a shaver, but I don't think I think I'm gonna wait to grab it. I do need a shaver. Actually, I'll take this and this shaver. Yes. And look, this one that says new, the cheaper one. Yeah, that's all I need. That's the cheapest one.
Yeah.
I believe so, right? I'm trying to save it. Trying to save as much as possible.
I have one for $79. Stylecraft.
Nah, I take the Andis. Andis was 60, right?
60, yeah.
And that's a single foil for 60. And that's a double. Yeah, nah, I take the Andis.
You want this one?
Yes. You see how that goes? You see that? Told you. Because I'm being honest, I need a shaver. I can't do everything I need to do without a shaver, so. And I haven't bought one of these in a while. You know the guy Morano? He's with TPOB. He made this comb right here. He usually is here on the week during the week. It's a station right here. Zero got trimmers and stuff like that, but I Zero got my own. This comb is $20. I really need a new one. So I'm gonna grab it. You see how I do it? This is what I'm talking about. I wasn't trying to leave fast because I wanted you guys to see, but the longer I stayed, the more money I spent. And guys, this is everything I need. This is nothing extra. I'm gonna look for this mousse for my wife one more time. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the register and let y'all see the total. And yeah, that's it.
Everything is scanned, so it will be $184.25.
184.
Did you want the rapid strips as well, or would that be separate?
I'm sorry?
Did you want the rapid strips?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry.
It's okay, no worries.
184 because I had to buy a shaver, so.
It says it's 189 exact.
Okay, 189. Alright guys, so y'all see, came in here, was only supposed to get a couple things, still spent $200 like it was nothing. I didn't even get, I didn't even stock up on half of my item. That was just a couple things. So when you hear people talking about Barber prices and, bro, everything is high, bro. Booth rent, salon suite rent, bro, everything is high. It's high. So you're going to either get with the program, put yourself in a position where you can make some money in this industry, or you gonna go, bro. You ain't gonna make it. So y'all already know what it is, man. Y'all tap back into the channel. I got new cuts coming soon. I just wanted y'all to see what it's like. The camera cut off, but this was the water tank that I just bought. Got these big tires back here that I'm supposed to be returning, but that's another $1,400 I got tied up, man. I'm trying to get back. But yeah, but I was saying before I got cut off, I just wanted to bring you guys in this pause, man. Let y'all see what it's like. Let y'all see why everything is so high, bro. I don't have a lot of items here, bro. And that was $200. Like, it's a lot, man. It's a lot. It's a lot that goes into this, but look, I'm here for it. Make sure y'all guys come back, tune into the channel. I got some new cuts I'm about to upload. I'm about to start doing a lot more shorts, a lot more shorter videos to be a little more detailed with what we focusing on. So yeah, man, y'all already know. Come back to the channel. I see y'all next time.